Hey, what's going on everybody? Scott Raley here. We're going to be talking about Shopify dropshipping and what it takes to have a winning product. And a lot of the questions that people come up with in their mind is it saturated? Has there already been someone else there selling this product before me? And I'm here to tell you guys, that is one of the secrets that I look for when I am finding a hot. I'll give you guys a perfect example. Back in about 2017, running my Shopify store, running Facebook ads, doing videos, looking for my next six-figure product, big success product. And it was at an event, I was sitting next to two gentlemen who were already at $20,000 at noon in sales with that product. And I ended up hearing later on in the event what they were selling, and it was a black mask. How many of you guys remember the black mask where you can put it on your face and then peel it off and it will give you that instant results, where it removes your whiteheads, any type of, whatever they call it, sebaceous pores. And that product, guys, I would look at it and I'd be like, for months, I would look at it and I'd be like, that looks like a great product. That looks like a great product. And then at that event, I'm sitting next to two guys who were at $20,000 in sales that day with the same product I kept ignoring because I was thinking it was saturated. So I just want to talk to you guys about that because that same product went on to make me millions, guys, was the black mask. I have another friend of mine that was doing over $80,000 a day with the black mask. And that continued on with our students. The different people that were inside of our mastermind were all making money with that one product, guys. And that lasted for at least a year, the black mask. So I wanted to share with you today a new product that I'm looking at that I find it extremely fascinating, and it's called a green mask. And it's a purifying, it cleanses. It does a lot of the same things that the black mask does, but it's more of like an herbal, angle. Kind of a natural mask rather than a black mask. So it's really cool. The videos are great. The marketing is incredible, guys. This just came out maybe about 2 months ago, okay? This green mask, and the videos are viral, right? There is a really cool extension that you can use on AliExpress that will tell you if a product is saturated or not. And talking about saturated, guys, when it keeps popping up, that is your trigger to remember, Scott told me that's actually what I'm looking for, is something to keep showing up that will give you an idea. So this is a new product, guys, and the videos are insane. Anyways, guys, I'll be teaching about a lot of product research and how to find a winning product and give you guys some great examples of landing pages, product landing pages, how to optimize your product landing pages, and making sure you guys pick the right product for your store and create an amazing brand. Okay, before you start pushing traffic, guys, you want to get a hold of my trainings. You want to get inside of my webinars where I can share with you guys winning products from my past, $1 million earners from my past, and showing you guys my landing pages, my product pages, my advertisements, so I can make sure that the next time you spend $1 in your advertising, that I looked over your funnel, I made sure that everything looks good, guys, and it's converting well before you start running ads, all right? Before you start pushing traffic, let me look over your funnel and let me make sure that it's completely optimized, all right? And make sure that you guys also register for my webinar, okay? It's gonna be great value, guys. Come check it out. Just look for the links. You'll see, Scott, how can you help me? And one of the links will be a webinar, guys. Register for that webinar. It's going to be phenomenal training, guys. You guys are going to love it. I'm going to be giving away my secret to targeting, how to find my buyers. I'm going to be giving away a product list that you can download full of products you can import into your store as of right now that are converting right now. And then I'll also be giving you guys how to make better ads, dynamic Facebook ads. And these are all bonuses inside my webinar I'll be giving away, all right? So that's why you got to register. That's why I'm sharing with you guys. So check it out, subscribe to the channel, definitely hit that notification bell, and comment below if you guys know what I mean, where you start seeing something over and over, and then it becomes a huge success because you decide to launch that product. All right, guys, take care. See you at the top.